One. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of hyperlinks in web program. Okay, as the word only say, it's nothing but a link which is going from one end to another end. Nothing but it is a mechanism. Hyperlink already you know it, you have learned it. But then also hyperlink is a mechanism which will allow you can say which will allow you to navigate from one page to another page. Okay, hyperlinks help you out in linking from one page to another page. Here the two terms which are being used, that is hyper and link. Hyper is nothing but the meaning is beyond, and whereas the link meaning is connection. Beyond connection which happens from one end to another end, that is said to be your hyperlink. Okay, whichever text it is there, it will be being connected from one end to another end, moved from one end to another end. That is called as the hypertext, which navigates the page from one end to another end, one text to another text. That is said to be your hypertext. Okay, the tag which is being used for hyperlink is nothing but your anchor tag, which is being used with the help of an href. Okay, you use href in combination with the a tag, then it will produce a hyperlink concept. Okay, so through the code we will check out how it works. So you have a code here. First file is your hyper.html, first file which is being named. The code is html head, the title is there, hyperlink is there, then head is being closed, then a href, here is your hyperlink. Okay, you have a href here, you can check out a href. It is linking to a file link html when it is being clicking on the text, that is click here. I click on click here, it will move to the link.html file, and in that file whatever is there, it will be displayed on the screen, and here the html is being closed. Okay, now this is a file of hyper.html. Another file you have to create with the link.html file name. So in the link.html file, what you have is, you have like html, sorry, in the link.html you have html. Okay, then you have body, it is printing the statement, it is this is web programming, that is that, close it, here also close it. Okay, so in the output how it is being generated is, in the hyper.html file you have a text, click here. Okay, when you click on this, click here, it will move to this page, that is this is web program, where it is there, it is present in the link.html file. Okay, so like this, hypertext is nothing but you are navigating from one page to another page. Okay, that is hypertext. Okay, same way, in the hyperlink you have a concept called as targets. Okay, target of the document, you can say what is the meaning of target.html is nothing but, okay, I want to move a text from one part to another part. It is not one page to another page. From one part to another part, I am starting from the beginning, that is top, and I want to move to the bottom part. Then I use the keyword, for example here bottom. Okay, that is called as the target. Your identification is what you are identifying certain things, and I want to move from one part to another part and display it on the screen. That also can be done in web programming. How it is being done, that we will be checking out. But here also you use the concept of href only. There you are not changing any concept, you are using the href attribute to move from one part of the document to another part of the document. Not another document, but another part is nothing but from top to bottom, top to middle, or top to right, left, like that. Whatever it is, it will be moving to that particular part through the help of target. Okay, so here you are using the text here, or the code here, you can check out html head. In the title you have target link, then slash head is being closed, then your body part is there. In the body part, what you have is, you have the h1, that is nothing but a heading is there called Puneet Rajkumar. Okay, Puneet Rajkumar. Under that an hyperlink is there, you can check out, which is using an ID bottom. Okay, it is using an ID that is bottom. Click here for his autobiography. Okay, what does it say is you have to click on the autobiography, then it will move to that particular bottom part and it will print all the text. Okay, so in the beginning you have the statements such as Appu, that is here with certain space, pre-space, declared space it will be considering. So Appu, after that next line is Abhi, then you have Mayur, then you have Akash, then you have Namma Basava, then you have Ajay Arusu. All these names are there. The movies which are being done by the Puneet Rajkumar actor. Okay, so those are being listed out here. So you have, like example, you have like pre, then you have all these text part, then the remaining part here it is there, then pre is being closed, then in H2 horizontal part, H2 horizontal, remember H1, H2, H3 like that, or you can say heading, heading it is, that is H2 is heading, H1 heading is Puneet Rajkumar, second heading is autobiography, so it will be in one font, Puneet Rajkumar. The second font is autobiography, where its font size it will be reduced. Then you have the ID, you are said to be in the bottom. The paragraph which is there, it will be in the bottom, which will be printed is Puneet Rajkumar was born on 17th of March 1975. Then he was the son of Rajkumar. Then mother was Parvatama, who was a producer. Then Shivraj Kumar and Raghavendra Rajkumar, those also are the heroes which are the brothers of him. Then he was married to Ashwini Revnath. Then two daughters are there, Dhriti and Vandita. Then you have he is said to be one of the greatest star in the Kannada film industry. Like the lines are being printed, then pre-spacing, with pre-spacing the paragraph is being closed, the body and the HTML is being closed. So output, how do you get it is, you can check out. So this is the text which you will be getting printed on the screen. You are not taking multiple files. It is a single file only in which you have the output. So in the beginning, H1 heading, you have Puneet Rajkumar. Okay, after that you have the statement, click here for his autobiography. So it will print all these movies names. Then afterwards what it happens is, okay, actually what happens is you have the listed, then autobiography, where it will be printed is at the bottom. At the bottom it will print the autobiography and it will be moving to that particular text. Here also you have the hyperlink, but autobiography which is there in that text only, in the bottom you are moving this autobiography and you will be printing these statements at the bottom. Okay, this is the use of target. In the target is nothing but you are using the concept of printing the statements in various different areas. Okay, at the bottom it may be at the center, at left, right, as I said, you can use it. So if I use it as right, it will be moving and printing the text on this side. Left means on this side. Like that the text it will be like printed on different areas. That is the use of the target concept in HRE. Okay, so this is the part of your hyperlink. In the next session I will be dealing with other concepts. Okay, thank you.